this is Rick with CyberMedics, and we're here today to help you lock down your Outlook email account. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is sign in, and today we're using the Bitwarden Chrome extension to sign into the account. It's a wonderful tool for managing your passwords. Highly encourage you to watch our previous video on Bitwarden. The goal in this video is to show you how to lock down your account to use either a security key or an authenticator app from Microsoft so that you no longer have to mess with a password. Go to the icon in the upper right hand corner and then click on My Microsoft Account. Once you're in that section, you will go down to Advanced Security Options so that you can open up the additional protective measures. And the first thing we're going to do is add a hardware security key. So you come down here and say add a new way to sign in or verify. And we're going to select use a security key. We're using a USB key today, so we're just plugging it into the side of the computer. And once you select next and you have it plugged in, it's going to have a couple prompts, and you're going to click OK on both of those. Now you're going to touch the key physically, and you're going to enter a PIN that was previously set up on the key. Once you do that, you touch the key again, and it will ask you to label the key so you know which key you added, and highly recommend that you have at least 2 security keys in case you lose one of them. Scroll down here, and now you can see there's the key that we just added. The next step is we're going to turn on the passwordless account so that you no longer have to use a password. So we're going to set that up, and it will require you to download the Authenticator app on your phone. So now it's waiting for you to actually have the Authenticator app up. Go to your phone, go to the App Store and download that particular Microsoft Authenticator application. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll have to make sure that you have the permissions for taking pictures, because you're going to use the app to scan the QR code. So what we'll do here is select Personal Account at the top. Once we select Personal Account, we will select Scan QR Code. After you select Scan QR Code, it's going to come up on the camera of the phone, and you will point it towards the computer, and you will scan that QR code on the computer screen. That will complete adding the account to the Authenticator app on your phone. Next, it will say approve. It wants you to approve the fact that you are removing the password from your account on the phone. So once you select approve, then you can click next on the computer, and now you can see the password has been removed. You're all set. You have actually removed the password from your account and no longer have to deal with passwords. Right here where it says passwordless account is on. So what we'll do is we'll go up and log out of the account, and the first step is we'll log in with just the security key to show you what the process looks like. So we've logged out of the account, and now we'll go down to the bottom and say sign in options, and we'll say sign in with a key. We'll click security key, touch your key, put in your PIN, touch your key again, and there you go. You're logged into your account. No password. Now we log out again. We're going to use the Authenticator app with your email address. For some reason you didn't have your key, you could just type in your email address. You use the Authenticator app and say approve on the phone. And you just click that, and then you are logged into your account. In summary, we've added a hardware security key to the Outlook account. We've made the account passwordless, and you now have 2 methods, either the security key or the Authenticator app for authenticating to your account. You no longer have to worry about a password, someone hacking it. Someone would have to have your security key and the PIN, or be able to get into your phone and access the Authenticator app in order to access your Outlook account. Hope this video was helpful. Please post any questions or comments below. Consider subscribing and have a great hack-free day.